Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today, I wanted to open this. I went to an out-of-town Target that I like to go to when I go to this city, and they had, lo and behold, they had Star Wars Mandalorian blaster boxes. Really cool. These are Season 2. There's the odds there, if you want to look at those. I've never opened a blaster of these, so let's go ahead and see what we get in a blaster. It says you get one medallion card guaranteed, so I wonder if it's a metal medallion, which would be pretty cool. Now, I don't have my knife over here for some reason, so I have to open this somehow. I'm gonna have to use a pen. There we go. Oh, it's got the same little Mandalorian symbol here that they had in Season 1. Really cool. Stick that right there. That'll help us get better packs. You watch. Okay, box empty. Alright, so here's the packs. Wow, you get a lot of packs. You get more packs in this than you do the hobby boxes. That's kind of crazy. This is the medallion card. I can tell it's thicker. So you get 9 packs plus this medallion pack. So let's see what we get. Here's pack odds for. This is considered a retail product. So let's see what we get. Searching for Thrawn, the new Marshal, Den breaking in, the plan in place, a blue snacking on spiders, a little Baby Yoda being ornery, and we got Casca Reeves. Alright, next pack. Got Aftermath and the New Republic, a well-deserved nap, the meeting with Gor Koresh, snacking on spiders. You must get a blue every pack here. Got another unlikely intervention and a Baby Yoda card. It's messed up on the bottom of the card there. So that kind of sucks. But cute Baby Yoda. I'm sorry, Grogu. Cute little Grogu card. Okay, so we got another unlikely intervention, pieces of the puzzle with Fish Guy. We got a very convenient task. The Legend returns. Great Boba Fett there. Pieces of the puzzle blue and a Stormtrooper. Been looking around for some more Mandalorian hobby boxes. Man, they are not easy to find. Rescue Mission, A Proper Goodbye, The Child's Connection, Cookie Envy. Man, this is a Baby Yoda pack here. Huh? There's a purple Ice Beast Returns and Boba Fett. And purple is not numbered. I don't think. I don't see a number on there. We got Changing the Plan, dropping into Trask, the first plan unfolds, back on Tatooine, a blue, very convenient task, and that's cool. I like that card. Concept art there with the Grogu and the Mandalorian. We got the Fighter Assault, the Mysterious Savior, Saved by the Empire, Imperial Intervention, Blue Legend Returns, and Imperial Combat Driver. We got One Last Assault, Ahsoka's Ultimatum, Echoes of the Past. I really like that scene there in that episode. The Jedi Revealed, blue rescue mission, and that one's cool. Like a comic book card there. The Mandalorian, stronger than you think. Taking Back Most Plego. Pelly's Sketchy Lead. An Unexpected Rescue. Fishman. Purple Tension at the Tuscan Camp. And a Dark Trooper. That's pretty sweet. I like the Dark Troopers. That was a cool thing they put in the show. Now, on the box it says 10 packs with 1 medallion card guaranteed. So I guess you can get a hit and a medallion card in a blaster box, which would be pretty sweet. Powerful Connection, Finishing Moves, The Mission, In, Fight to the Finish, A Proper Goodbye Blue, and the Mandalorian. So here's the last pack. And it's like a button. The Child. So we did get a Baby Yoda one with a Mandalorian commemorative button. So it's not a medallion really, it's a button card. Not numbered or anything, but there we go. There's our hit, and it's actually pretty cool. Alright, stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to try to pick up, or I did pick up another one of these. I'll open it in a future video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.